Guys, welcome back to the vlog. Yes, because as you guys can see, I already uploaded part 1, about to do part 2 now, attempt to making the patties, the Jamaican beef patties. Yes, my first time doing it, so I just hope them turn out right. Alright, so yeah, I have the all-purpose flour. Maybe use a pinch of salt, all-purpose seasoning, sugar, and don't have no margarine, but maybe use no blue band butter. Hopefully that work as well. So go ahead and put the sugar in there. So yes, this is actually curry and turmeric mixed together, so that's what I'm going to use. Yeah, so I'm putting in the sugar. Go put some of the Alpurpose in there. I think that should do. Yeah, let's use like a little pinch of salt. That's it. And my curry and turmeric and curry powder, I think that should be enough. Hopefully, if not, maybe see how the color look, and then see if it wants any more into it. Yeah, probably put a little bit more curry, just curry and turmeric. Guys, this have a nice smell with the turmeric and the curry powder mixing together. It really have a nice smell to it. So now we use the margarine. No, hopefully that's cool and everything. So hopefully that will get to it. We make the patty dough nice and smooth. Probably have to use a little like a piece. I don't know. Guys, I just do whatever. Open it, it will work. Breaking in the butter inside of the mix. Yep. Breaking it in. Yep. I want to use enough butter because I want to do it nice. Alright, so now I'm going to use some room temperature water to knead the dough. So I'm going to be adding in the water, little at a time, room temperature water. Guys, I'm not an expert now, I don't really know what I do. But I'm just a follower. But I'm saying make it, and hopefully my won't turn out the same way. But I'm just drain water everywhere. I'm not want to do a spoiling about it. So I'm going to bottle my actual tea. Let's have the tips more. So I'm going to cover the dough, rest it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. So start working on the meat, the inside part, alright? So yes guys, the oil's already out in the pot, so I'm going to saute my seasoning. I have scallion, onion, garlic, and thyme. So I'm going to saute that now. Okay. I'm just going to saute this one 20 seconds before adding my mince. So now that my season saute, I'm going to put in the mince. We could add some. Turn this down because, yeah. So now I'm going to be adding in my seasoning. So I'm putting in parsley, some parsley, some salt. Yeah, I'm just judging. Alright. All-purpose. Make sure it's having enough all-purpose. Give that nice taste. And some garlic powder, of course. You know, I'm not add no pepper in it because I know I'm so afraid of pepper. So I know we're not add no pepper in this. Yes. So make it go and cook and change its color. You know, you're already going now into cook. Yeah. So come back. So now I'm adding some breadcrumbs inside there as well, and some of the curry and turmeric powder, not a lot, to get a little color. Yeah, this little man's coming together, guys. There. Yeah. And I'm going to be adding some ketchup as well in there. Look at that beautiful flavor. Guys, it smells so good. So good. Nice. It smells nice. And a tip of water, just the tips of water inside there, you know, so it can cook down. Yeah. So I'll make that go and cook. So this is where I reach. So I'm gonna roll out one of the dough I'm gonna use. And yes. So you see my beef. So I'm gonna go ahead and place some of the beef inside of the patty. Let's hope this workout come out really, really good. Don't think I'm gonna put any more. I think that should be enough, right? So it come out like the beef cook so juicy and nice, guys. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and so I like the falling over part, like it not go so good, but I think this one is the best one I do so far. The rest of them look like a real disaster, I'm not gonna lie. But wow, this is the best one so far. I'm not gonna lie. But you know, it's my first time, so yeah, I won't expect every one of them that go so good. So yeah. So let me put it on the bread as well. Especially this is the one in Amigo. Look like hurricane passed through it. Pitchy pitchy patcha. No style. Alright, I have my egg wash. I have no egg wash brush. Don't judge me. So I'm just gonna use my spoon to do it. Yeah. Well, hopefully them come out good enough can eat. That's but this one, I think this one is the worst one. But I tried. Okay, I tried. This one not so bad and this one not the big one. No, sir. Have some disaster pass through it now. Stop your son. I have to use a spoon because I don't have a brush, egg wash brush. So don't judge, you know. Improvise, use what you have and have what you use. Yeah. So this ready now for the oven. Yeah, baking time. So I'm gonna put them patty in the oven. I'm gonna see how them come out. Yeah. Let's see how them come out. Alright, so we'll be back when them finish. Yeah, when the patty them finish, we'll be back. I want to say first time making the patty dough. Hopefully good and eatable. Yes, guys. So my patties are finished. Yeah, I'm gonna tell you, this one was the only one that looked like it. Like it, you know. Some hurricane passed through it, it never fall good. So that's the outcome of that one. But as you can see, the rest of them looking nice, especially this one right here. Yes. This one looking so lovely. And now I'm gonna enjoy that one. Oh wow, and look at the back. Oh, it's hot. But look at the back. Oh gosh, guys, look at this. Yeah. Just hope it tastes like how it look. Let me see. Let me see. Now let me go hard. It's hot. Let me see. Okay, guys, look there. Yeah. Juicy, yummy, inside bacon, everything in the pocket of it. Yes. Hot. But let me taste it. Smells nice too. Smells so good. This guys, sorry about that. The phone ring interrupt me. Yeah. Oh, hot though. Yeah. Yeah. Actually, look good. It tastes better than I expected it to taste. I don't know why, but actually it tastes good. I'm surprised. I don't know why, but I'm surprised. It is good. Tastes good, guy. I can't believe it tastes good. Like actual patty. Like actual patty. It tastes good. I'm proud of me. Thank you guys for joining me. Yeah, making my first patty. Yeah, thank you guys. So I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Like hearing from you guys in the comment section. So let me know what you wanna think. Yeah, let me know what you think.